primary schools, despite that to colleges, despite that being a national government function. In 10 years of devolution, tulikuwa na governor wa kwanza, tukakuwa na governor wa pili, tukakuwa na NMS, tukakuwa na Kananu. For 10 years, Nairobi County gave bursaries worth 3 billion, and in 6 months, Your Excellency, we have given bursaries worth 1 billion and 25 million ile ya kutoa bursaries. Tumepeana scholarships, and our scholarships ukipata form 1 unaenda form 1, 2, 3 and 4 without a break. These children of ours in Nairobi, we cannot shirk our responsibility. And I want to implore my MCAs. Article 189 of the Constitution gives us a framework of partnership between the national government and the county government. We are doing an MOU because the MPs will tell you, anyone who is sensible will tell you, watoto wa Nairobi wamekosewa. We have 210 schools only for a population of 5 million people. Our children who are not in the public schools are not in expensive private academies. They're in what we call up-bet schools, alternative provision of basic education and training. Unapata shule, Sunday ni kanisa, Monday ni shule, jioni kuna kesha, the next day there is a youth meeting, because we have not given the infrastructure. Successive governments have done bad to the children of Nairobi. We must do something. Your Excellency, sorry. Your Excellency, ni uchungu ya watoto. Thank you. Your Excellency. Your Excellency, this thing must work. There's no other way. It must work. These children deserve the same that your children have and that my children have. And so I thank you because you have supported from the beginning. Whenever there's been resistance, you have called your minister, you have called whoever matters for these children of Nairobi. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Allow me to stop there because I think the point has been made. We are doing 10 kitchens in 10 weeks. This is the only project I have sat with contractors. Nikwambia hii msieke mchezo. This one, don't play around with. And they've understood they're not just building a building. They're giving our children dignity and a hope for the future. So, Your Excellency, karibu sana, Roysambu, karibu sana Nairobi. Thank you for supporting me in doing this. We are going to deliver. And one day, vile wanakumbuka maziwa ya Nyayo, watakumbuka chakula ya Ruto. Watakumbuka chakula ya Ruto. Allow me, Your Excellency, now to invite Waziri. And Waziri has been very, very supportive. We have sat down with him. We have agreed on the framework. We have a working group together between us and the national government. I'm grateful for what you've done for us, Waziri. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.